Push. Push, baby. Good girl. Push. Keep it up. Keep it up. Push. Beautiful. Beautiful.
There she is. She's here. There she is.
Push for the shoulders. Congratulations.
What is her name? Ellie. Ellie.
Hey, Ellie.
Hello, baby.
At 1:30 in the morning.
Hello, baby. Hey, baby. Hey,
So
baby.
well, congratulations.
Hello, sweetie.
Oh, Ellison.
Oh, sweetie. Hey. Hey, baby.
Abby, you did
Hey,
so well.
baby.
I'm so proud of you. It'll be easy.
Baby Ellie.
What?
She closed her eyes.
Close.
Close them.
She's got her eyes closed. She's sleeping. She's taking a little nap.
I told you she's gonna sleep a lot. What do you think, Buster? Do you like her? Oh.
Okay, be careful, sweetie. You're gonna be a good brother, huh?
Yeah, you are.
You like baby Ellie? She gonna be your new friend?
Oh, look, buddy. Do you like her? Oh, she likes you too?
Is she a baby? I told you. Did she come out?
Sleep. Give her a kiss.
You are a good brother.
Baby Ali.
She's out of my belly.
Hello, sweetie.
Baby Ali.
Baby Ellie.
Milk.
You want some milk, baby Ellie? Look, she's opening her eyes to see you. Ellie, hi. This is your big brother, Kyle.
Mama.
Mama,
Baby.
Just my video now. Do you like your little sister?
G.
Hello.
G.
Hello, little sister. You a good big brother for her? Ah, yes. Hug. You guys best friends? Uh-huh. Okay, let me get a picture. Are you taking good care of her? Good boy. Baby. Careful on her eyes. There you go.
Baby Ali.
This is your brother Kyle, Ellie.
You
What'd you say?
like
She likes you. Yes, she does likes you.
baby Ali. Ego.
Yeah. She likes you a lot.
Nose.
Yeah, see her nose?
Nose.
See, oh, she's making some noise, yeah.
Cry.
She might cry. She's not crying yet. What do we do when she cries?
Milk.
Give her milk, yes.
Mommy. Drink.
Mommy gives her a drink of milk. Uh-huh.
Oh, baby. Right. Right.
She likes you. Yes, she does.
Hobby.